If you live in Ghana and would consider university education in the UK or in Germany, then this is for you. Excel Plus Education, a leading university placement service provider, is hosting this year's education fair. It promises to be insightful and interactive. Come, meet the delegates and representatives from some of the UK's finest universities and from Germany. Have all your questions answered. Even better, take advantage of this event to secure your university placement and explore your scholarship options. So go on, clear your calendar and register your interest. Event date is on Monday, the 21st of March 2022, from 9 a.m. prompt until 5 p.m. The venue at the plush Golden Tulip Hotel, Accra, Ghana. Don't miss it for the world.